Hello friends. Today in this video we are going to watch about yoga for weight loss, and what are all the poses that will help to burn fat. Let's go and watch out. Yoga is a great activity for you if you have diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or heart disease. It gives you strength, flexibility, and mind-body awareness. Yoga does more than burn calories and tone muscles. It's a total mind-body workout that combines strengthening and stretching poses with deep breathing and meditation or relaxation. Can you lose weight doing yoga? Yes. Yoga may also be an effective tool to help you lose weight. With these yoga for weight loss poses that will help burn fat, build muscle tone, and give you more flexibility. Below is the pose name that can help you to lose weight. Yoga Warrior Pose. Yoga Warrior Pose 2. Yoga Locust Pose. Yoga Bridge Pose. Yoga Chair Pose. Yoga Camel Pose. Yoga Cobbler's Pose. Boat Pose. Yoga Warrior Pose. The Warrior Pose is one of the best yoga poses for weight loss that strengthens and tones the arms, shoulders, thighs and back muscles. It is an effective yoga for people with back problems that is also beneficial for increasing overall balance and stamina. How to do Yoga Warrior Pose. For this yoga pose you need to stand straight with your legs far apart. Now bring your hands up above your head and stretch them. Your right knee should bend slightly while trying to stretch your abdominal muscles as much as you can. Close your eyes and count for 30 seconds to 1 minute. After turning it to the right, follow the same procedure to the left. This posture will tighten your muscles and also tone your legs, giving you very good body strength. Repeat the posture 2 to 3 times on both sides. Next is Yoga Warrior Pose 2. Warrior Pose 2 is one of the most effective exercises for tummy and thighs that opens up the hips, strengthens and tones the thighs, works the abdominal muscles and organs and aids in enhancing stamina and concentration. How to do Yoga Warrior Pose 2. Stand with your legs placed away from one another. Now move your right foot to the right side and bend your right knee so that your right thigh is parallel to the floor. Start your hands to 2 sides, keeping them parallel to the floor, and look to your right. Count for 30 seconds to 1 minute and return to the starting position. Repeat the same on the other side. Do the exercise 2 to 3 times on both sides. Next is Yoga Locust Pose. The Locust Pose is considered one of the best yoga asanas for weight loss because it stretches the entire body right from the thorax to the abdomen, upper back, lower back. It stretches the shoulders, chest and belly effectively. How to do Yoga Locust Pose. You need to lie face down with your palms facing the ground. While inhaling you should lift up your legs without bending your knees. Your upper torso and hands should also be lifted up, giving you a stretch of the abdominal muscles. You need to balance yourself on the tummy. This posture will reduce the fats near the hips and stretch your leg muscles. Next is Yoga Bridge Pose. Bridge Pose is one of the power-packed flat tummy exercises that cuts out fat from the abdomen by toning and strengthening the abdominal muscles along with the hip flexors and spine. It also tones the arm and leg muscles, helps in digestion and stimulates the thyroid glands and kidneys, and is one of the best yoga exercises for neck pain. How to do yoga bridge pose. Lie down on your back with your feet joined and your hands by your side. Now, exhale and lift your head and chest off with the ground and stretch your hands towards your feet. Hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute while feeling the stretch and tension in your abdominal muscles and navel while breathing normally. Repeat this pose 3 to 4 times. This pose will increase your muscle strength. Next is yoga chair pose. The chair pose is one of the best thigh exercises that strengthen and tones the muscles of the glutes, hips, back and chest along with the ankle and knee muscles. It also strengthens the lower back and torso and helps to bring forth determination in mind. In this asana, the body appears as a chair, and it requires a lot of stamina. You may feel pain in your legs. However, doing this regularly will help you gain flexibility and the pain will vanish. You need to have your feet together. Inhale while you raise your hands above your head. Stretch them up and bend your knees a little. Inhale while bending your knees. Now you need to remain in this position for at least 60 seconds while breathing normally. It may be a little difficult in the beginning to remain in this position, so try to hold it for as long as you can and stand up when you feel too much pressure. You can begin by doing this 10 times every day and increase the number every 3 days. Next is yoga camel pose. The camel pose is the best yoga for weight loss because it targets the tummy, back and thighs. It also helps in opening up the chest and lungs, improving the flexibility of the chest, abdomen and neck, stimulating the thyroid gland and strengthening the back muscles. How to do yoga camel pose. Sit on your feet with your knees and calves close together. Now come onto your knees and place your hands on your hips. Stretching out the torso, look above. Bend backward and stretch out the chest and tummy. You can feel the weight in your arms. Hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute and return to the starting position. Repeat the asana 3 to 4 times. Next is yoga cobbler's pose. The cobbler's pose is a simple and easy to perform yoga exercise for weight loss that can be done perfectly by newbies as well. It also helps in treating infertility, asthma, depression and anxiety. How to do yoga cobbler's pose. You need to sit down with your spine straight. Your knees should be bent, and the soles of your feet should be facing each other. You should press the soles together and hold this pose for at least a minute. Last is boat pose. This is one of the power-packed mat exercises for abs toning. Sit down on a mat, and stretch out your legs. This pose will increase your stamina and also cut down tummy fat. It will increase your lower and upper body strength. How to do boat pose. Sit down on a mat, and stretch out your legs. Your knees should be pulled up, thighs should be tight and your toes should be pointed out. Now try to raise your feet off the ground and bring your legs to a 45-degree angle. While you raise your feet and avoid bending your knees. The spine should be straight, and your body should make a V shape. Do yoga and stay happy and healthy. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Thank you.